In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sign up on Godaddy. If you are ready to create your Godaddy account, this guide will walk you through each screen in order so you can sign up smoothly without getting stuck. First, go to the Godaddy website. On your computer or mobile device, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Godaddy homepage. Make sure the page fully loads before you start clicking, because menus and sign-in buttons are usually easier to find once everything is displayed correctly. Next, click Sign In the top right corner of the screen. This is the place where Godaddy puts the entry point for logging in and also starting a new account. Look for the Sign In option near the upper area of the page, typically aligned toward the right side. When you select it, you should see a sign-in page with options for both existing customers and new customers. Now that you are on the sign-in page, click Create an Account under the New Customer section. This section is specifically for people who have not created a Godaddy account yet. By choosing Create an Account, you move from the sign-in area into the registration flow, where you will enter your details. After you choose Create an Account, the next step is to click Continue with Email. Godaddy may also offer a social login option, such as continuing with a service like Google. If you prefer, you can select that social option instead. For this walkthrough, follow the Continue with Email path so you can clearly see how the standard email sign-up works. Once you select Continue with Email, you will be taken to a form. In the fields on that page, type your email address, your chosen username, and a strong password. Take a moment here to double-check each entry, because even small typing mistakes can cause issues later. When you choose a password, aim for something strong and secure using a mix of characters you can reliably remember. You do not need to be overly complicated, but it should be hard for others to guess. As you enter your information, pay attention to how the website responds. Sometimes there are visual cues that indicate whether a password meets requirements or whether an email or username is available. If you see any prompts, read them carefully and make the necessary adjustments before continuing. When everything in the form looks correct, click Create Account. This button finalizes your registration attempt. After you submit, Godaddy may take a moment to process your information and prepare your new account. If the page shows a confirmation message or redirects you to the next screen, that is a good sign that your account creation was successful. At this point, you have completed the core sign-up steps. You started at the Godaddy homepage, opened the sign-in area, selected the option to create an account for new customers, continued using email, entered your email address, username, and strong password, and then submitted the form with Create Account. That is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.